I'm Nick, the founder and designer of FRAHM Jackets. I'm wearing a jacket, Chris is wearing a jacket. He's my friend, he's going to help us out to make this video hopefully reasonably interesting. Something else that's interesting is my dog Lily, and she's here to make me look pleasant and human, which may or may not be the case. We're doing pretty well. Last year we grew 492%. So FRAHM is all about tough and beautiful jackets, made really tough to last and really beautiful detailing, very, very high quality. Like this. Maybe I could go a bit harder. I don't want to hurt Chris, he is my mate after all, although maybe not at the end of this. So FRAHM has a serious side as well, and that's all about life being, we feel, as tough as it is beautiful. Sometimes it can be really, really tough, and it was very tough for me in 2017. I had a nervous breakdown and I even became suicidal, and thankfully I recovered, but I don't want anyone else to have to go through that. And so FRAHM talks honestly about mental health, and we also give money to mental health charities for every jacket that's sold. FRAHM has a pre-order model which gives us much safer cash flow. We're not guessing how much stock to buy, so we don't have extra stock left at the end. So that makes us much more sustainable, which also means we don't do discounting periods, so we're not eroding our margin, which then long-term means you erode your quality because people wait for the sales. That means we're protecting our reputation. I've said my piece, but please don't believe what I say. Please look at the customer service reviews. They're pretty extraordinary. I think it's a 5 out of 5 average, or 4.97 if you want to be really exact. To conclude, we're a kind of sustainable business that's growing extremely fast. We have the brand, the product and the reputation. We even have a better financial model. We'd love you to invest and be part of our journey.